Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add your My Day in Messenger from your PC. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Facebook application or go to Facebook website from a browser. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. There you can see Create a Story option in your home page. Click on it. Then click to create a photo story. From here, navigate to your PC and choose the photo that you want to share in your day. Click to open, then it will be shared in your day. The same story will be shared to your messenger. This is how you can share story in your messenger. This is how you can share your My Day in Messenger through your PC. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.